Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Good evening. I guess all of you remember. Anna, very good. Okay, Sinjana. All of you remember the concept of factorization. I guess till last class we have covered almost everything. Now this chapter, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And we had given homework also.
Yes, sir.
How many of you remember homework? Raise your hand. Okay, very good. So we have, okay, almost everyone remember, right? What about you, Aditya? Aditya, Akash, Sandhya?
Sir, remember, sir, but cannot raise my hand, sir. It's not happening.
What happened to your hands?
Sir, virtual hand, no, sir, it's not happening, sir.
Okay, you raised your hand. Okay, chalo. Okay. So when you talk about this chapter, right? I guess we have spent considerable amount of time in this chapter, factorization, and okay, and we more or less understood, right, all the concepts. I hope all of you will remember the. Okay.
Sir, today
So
chapter.
I had given homework of this 14.2. 14.2 we did, right? Hannah?
Yes, sir. We have completed.
14.2 we did, right? 14.3 and 14.4. 14.3 was homework, I guess. And all the examples. Did you solve all the examples before
Yes,
14.3?
Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But were you able to solve? Because we have already discussed it, right? Hannah?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
The only question was this 14.3. Okay. Now be very honest. How many of you solved 14.3?
Sir, I didn't solve.
Who didn't solve?
Sir, Nabil.
Sir, I only saw the examples, sir.
Examples so we did in classroom only, right? Yes or no?
Sir, Nabil didn't solve the 14.3 exercise.
Nabil, you're taking your own name, kya?
Yes, sir.
Why Nabil? Why you couldn't solve 14.3? But it's
Sir,
fine, right?
Sir, you told
Will you?
the homework is still 14.2.
Okay. So till Thursday, can I expect all of you to solve this? 14.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I got disconnected from my tab. That's why. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Sir, DJ sound, sir.
Sorry, I was connected from my two tabs. Okay. So till 14.3, we will discuss on Wednesday. Chalega? Okay. Right? Okay. Okay. Very good. Then we will start a new chapter.
Yay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what is the
Sir,
chapter name?
but,
Chapter
This
6.
is the last chapter of
no,
algebra in our syllabus. Okay, in our syllabus.
sir, no algebra, sir. Board of algebra.
Right? We will complete this now. And okay, sorry. Thank you, Kartikeya. Right?
Sir,
Yes.
please repeat, sir.
Okay. So I told that expression. You know what is expression? Expression is basically, right, sum of different terms, right? Right? Written together, different terms written together, or basically sum and multiplication of constant and variables written together. Equality is expression with equality sign is called your equation. What is an equation? Expression having inequality sign, equation having inequality sign is your inequation. Got it? Everyone understood what is the meaning of inequation and equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shrey joined. Sanvi still didn't join. Okay. Shrey, you joined late. Shrey, can you hear me, Shrey? Okay. Right. So when we talk about equation, just take this one. 4x plus 3 is equal to 2. Right? Now, yes, equation has equality sign. Very good, Priya. Now, if I'm writing an equation, what is the meaning of equation? Tell me, anyone. What is the meaning of equation? What do you want to find?
The LHS is equal to RHS.
So what do you want to find? कुछ निकालना होता है ना, क्या निकालना होता है?
So we have to find the variable's value.
वेरी गुड नबील, है ना. We need to find the value of variable, है ना. Value of variable, value of variable. Make sense? Yes or no? सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
Right? Now tell me, in this, how many values we will get? We will get one value or more than one value?
So 1.
One value.
Tell me.
One value.
One value. Very good, right? Very good, है ना. So very good, Priya, है ना. Very good. Now think about it. If I talk about this, 4x plus 3 is equal to 2. Very good, Tanushri, 2. Now this is very easy. We know that, sir, we have two different type of terms, right? One is with variable, one is without variable, which is constant, right? So if I have to solve any problem of linear equations, I need to know few things. First is what? BODMAS.
Sir, and when we change the sign towards the equal to the plus get minus and
Exactly, right?
multiplication,
Yes. So second is transposition, right? Then cross multiplication. Then tell me LCM, right? है ना?
Sir, how LCM can be used?
I'll tell you. Right? I guess every one of you know these things. Raise your hand, yes or no? Every one of you know these things? Okay? Right, very good. Now let us see. So first we will start with this very simple basic bachcha wala sawal. Okay, so we know that maths is just like solving puzzle. And maths is just like solving puzzle. We just have to find the process. Okay, right, Priya? Hannah? Right, Bindu, Sinchana, Akash, everyone? Okay, Jia, Vihan. Now, when you talk about this, there are two methods, by the way. There are two methods, right? But one method is very general. First
By
is,
step method and transposing method.
yes, separate variables and constants. Right? That is the key. That is the key, right? So what I want to do is I want to have all the constant one side of equality and all the variables, right, another side. Okay. So there's a process called as transposition. I hope all of you know what is the meaning of transposition, right? Changing the side, right? Changing the side is called as transposition. Now, whenever we change the side, the sign changes. I hope all of you remember this. Exactly. Plus will become minus. Multiply will become
Division.
division. Correct.
So
Very good.
4x is equals to 2 minus 3.
Very good. So 2 will be as it is, but here plus 3 will go this side, will become minus 3. Right? Now, what is 2 minus 3? Tell me, what is 2 minus 3?
This one.
Sir,
Minus
-1.
Correct.
Now 4 will go that side, which will be
Yes.
division. Minus 1 by 4.
Very good. Very good. So it is what? 4 into x is equal to minus 1. So x will be,
Minus
now
1 by
it is,
2.
yes, because it is multiplied, so it is 1 by 4. Easy enough, right? Easy enough. So I guess all of you already know this, but let us take one difficult problem, right? Obviously, I should show you difficult problem. Na? I cannot teach you easy problem and then ask difficult problem in exam, right? No, I won't be doing that. I will teach difficult problem and will give easy problem in exam. Okay? So let us take one difficult problem. Okay, so everyone write this.
It is very difficult.
Okay, write this. ठीक है, सुंदर लग रहा है? Is it looking good? सुंदर?
Nice, sir.
Right? Nabil?
Sir, but I know how to solve, sir. But the thing
Yes,
is that
process is same. Process is same, है ना? Process is same, right? Okay. What is the difference between making a rice and making biryani? Right?
Sir,
Okay.
rice में fix है, rice for the biryani में chicken.
Right?
वो
So
सब.
it is like that, right? Process is obviously, when I'm saying same, the step-by-step process is different, right? There's lots of additional steps, है ना? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first thing, what you should know, BODMAS, right? Everyone know BODMAS?
हाँ sir.
Okay, so I will solve this. Don't worry, I will solve this. I will solve this. Okay,
Give
right,
us some
Ananya?
time, sir. Sir, please
Okay.
give us some time.
Nabil, you can keep on trying, right? You keep on trying, Nabil. Okay, because you have already studied. Na? Most did not study. Okay, so now,
Okay, sir.
BODMAS. When you talk about BODMAS, first of all, 2 is multiplied with these two, yes or no? Ayana.
The distributive property.
Distributive properties. What is 2 into 3x? Because it is just 2
6x.
into
6x
6x. Very good. 6x. And what is 2 into minus 4?
minus 8.
Minus
Minus 8. Very good. Plus 7 by 3 is equal to, what is 5 into x?
5x.
5x.
Minus 10 by 3.
And
Minus
5
10 by
into
3.
minus 2 by 3? Minus 2 by
10 by 3.
3.
Okay.
10 by 3.
This step is easily understandable by everyone. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Tanushri
Yes,
1.
sir.
I will check Tanushri 1. It is not equal to Tanushri 1. It is plus 7 by 3. Na? Again,
Sir,
so,
you say now what to do?
okay. Now, after this, what is the second step? Tell me, what should be the second step?
Take all the variables one side and all the terms one side.
Exactly, right? Take all the variable to left-hand side and all the constant values to right-hand side. Make sense? Tell me, make sense? So we have 5x as a variable. So I'll take 5x this side and I will take both this to this side and this to this side. Now tell me, this minus 8 will become what? Tell me, minus 8 will become what?
8.
Plus 8. Very good. Plus 7 by 3 will become what?
Minus 7 by 3.
Minus 7 by 3. Very good. So 6x. And here, plus 5x will become what?
Minus 5. Minus 5.
Minus 5x. Very good. Right? And here, minus 8 will become plus 8. Plus 7, 3 will become minus 7 by 3. And minus 10 by 3. By 1. I guess this step everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, what is 6x minus 5x? 6 apple minus 5 apple. How many apples?
X.
Apple.
X. Very good. 1 apple. Now, some of you asked where to use LCM. Now, do you realize where to use LCM now?
Yes.
Yes,
8
sir.
by 1, 7 by 3, minus 10 by 3. What is the LCM of 1, 3, 3? 3. Very good. 1 will divide 3 how many times?
3 times.
3 times. So it will be 8 into 3.
24.
Yes. And this sign is minus. So minus. Then 7 because 3 will divide 3 one time. Then again minus 10 because 3 will divide 3 one times, right? So it is what? Tell me. 24
7
minus 17 by 3. So the answer is what?
7 by 3.
7 by 3. So this is the correct answer. So someone gave correct answer already. Ananya gave, I guess. Ananya, yes, Ananya.
Sir,
Very good,
please
Ananya.
say from the third step again, sir. That was the point where I didn't understood.
I just calculated, I just added, subtracted, right? It is
Sir,
the
no,
addition
sir,
subtraction.
before that, sir, where you transpose it, that.
So see, minus 8, if it get transposed, minus 8 will become plus 8.
Yes,
Plus
sir.
7 by 3 will become minus 7 by 3, right? And plus 5x. If it goes this side, it will be minus 5x. As simple as that.
Sir, but why did
Okay.
you transpose, sir? Can't we solve it directly?
Sir, how can we add or subtract a variable with a number?
Exactly, right?
Sir,
Aditya,
yes,
from the
sir,
past 1
five,
month, what we have been studying. Right? Can you add apple with mango?
No, sir.
No, sir. Simple. 6x minus 8 is not minus 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? Yes. we have been solving addition, subtraction of like variables and all those things. So I hope all of you understood, right? Even though this problem was a bit difficult, but it was doable. है We used what? BODMAS and bit of LCM HCF. Now let us solve one more problem. This everyone should solve. Now, the only problem that you will face is addition, subtraction of factors. Take care of fractions. Let us see how many of you can solve this. Okay, solve this. Okay, step by step. Everyone, please match your step by step, right? First step, everyone got this? First step is clear,
Yes.
raise your hand. First step is clear, raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
I don't think that anyone will have any doubt till 3 steps. First, second, third is clear.
Yes,
Hannah,
sir.
very good Bindu, very good Priya, very good Jia, Tanushri. Okay, 1, 2, 3. First is BODMAS, second is again BODMAS, splitting into fractions. Third is transpose, right? Minus x by 4, right? Came this side, become plus x by 4, right? Plus 15 by 2, went that side, became minus 15 by 2. That's it. That's all we did, right? Till third step. Now, right? Wait, Shreya, wait, right? Obviously, method would be not different. You would have taken LCM first, then splitted it, right, Shreya? Anna, you took LCM first, then splitted it. That's what you would have done. Anna, you took the LCM of 2 and 3 first, 2 and 4 first, right? Then took solve it, then cross multiplied. Yes or no? Tell me, Shreya. Okay. I'm telling you the least confusing method. There are numerous ways to solve, right? Depending on what you do first. Either you take LCM first or you take transpose first. Hannah, because, right? No, till third step. I put it now, right? X by 4 minus 9x by 2 minus 5x by 4. All the x1, all the variables one side and all the constant other side. Right, Vihan?
Sir, can I tell my mistakes?
Later, right? First we'll discuss, then everyone will tell their mistakes. Okay? Till third step, everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Now, why I'm saying this, that this is the easiest and the most, I'll tell you, this will be the least confusing one, Okay? I will tell you other methods also, but it will be confusing. Okay? This will be least confusing. Doesn't matter how big the question would be, how complex the question would be. Simple. Split it, separate it, shift. Simple. Right? Okay? Split, separate, then solve. So what we did, split, separate, right? Then solve. What's the LCM of 4, 2, 4?
4.
4. Okay, right, yes. So 4 divided by 4, 1. No? 4 divided by 4, 1. So x into 1 is x. Then 4 divided by 2,
2.
2. Right? So 9x into 2, 9x into 2. Then 4 divided by 4, 1. So 5x. And the sign is additive. So this step is clear. This LCM is clear. Yes or no? Raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. In the same way, what is the LCM of 3, 4, and 2? What is the LCM of 3, 4, and 2?
12.
12.
12.
Correct. Correct. Now 12 divided by 3, what we will get? 12 divided by 3.
4.
12 divided by 3, 4 now. Right? So it is 5 into 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
12 divided by 4, what we will get?
3.
3. So it will be 9 into 3. Okay? Now 12 divided by 2, 6. Yes, so it will be 15 into 6. Done? This is also done.
Yes, sir.
Step 4 clear? Aditya, step 4 clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Now, I hope all of you know addition, subtraction. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
But still, I have written step 5. Step 5 is a useless step, by the way. Right? Anna, you can directly solve from step 5 to step 4 to step 6. But still, I have written because I want everyone to understand, right? Because then someone would ask, sorry, kaise ho gaya? Right? That's why I wrote it. Step 5. But step 5 is a useless one. Anna, it is useless step, right? Because you can directly do this now, x minus 18x minus 5x, because 9x into 2 is 18. We know this, right? 9x into 2 is 18x, है ना? Okay, so what is x minus 18x will be minus 17x, and minus 17x minus 5x will become what? Minus 22x.
12x.
22 na? 17 again, minus 17 minus 5. It will become minus 22. And it will not be minus 12, it will be minus 22. So this is one mistake you have to do, right? Sorry, you have to, you don't have to do. This is the one mistake you have to note. And right?
This is
If you are making this mistake, then it is just the mistake of integers, right? Addition, subtraction of integers. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what minus 22x. I will just write once again this, and then I will solve. Okay. So I will just write again this. So it is minus 22x by 4. And in same way, 20 plus 27, 47. And 47 minus 90 is minus 43. Right? I hope all of you know this. By 12. Now, I hope all of you know division and cross multiplication. Right? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
It is 5x now. See, it is 5x now, Vihan. We took LCM now, Vihan. We took LCM of all the three, Vihan. Right? So 5x is 5x only. Right, Vihan? Got this? You got it, Vihan? Tell me. Yes, in step 5, this I just wrote this 5x. I just wrote this 5x as it is. 9x into 2, kya ho jayega? What is 9 into 2? 18. So it is 18x minus 18x. And I wrote minus 5x as it is. Okay. Got it? Okay. Right. Then 1 apple minus 18. 1 minus 18 will be what? Tell me, what is 1 minus 18?
7 minus
Minus 17.
Minus 17.
Very good. And minus 17 and minus 5, it will be what?
22.
minus
Minus 22.
20.
Minus 22.
22.
Got it? So this is the same thing. 1 apple minus 18 apple. 1 apple minus 18 apple. It will be minus 17 apple. And minus 17 apple minus 5 apple. We'll get minus 22 apple. Okay. Right? X is just apple. Hai na? X is just apple. Right? Okay. Chalo. Now here, now this either you can, both side we have minus. Can we just cancel minus? Both sides we have negative. Can I just multiply it?
Yes, sir.
Anna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we know that it is what? I'll just write this. This is actually 22 by 4 into x. Into x is equal to 43 by 12. Yes or no?
And transposed x is equals to 43
sir.
by 12 into
Yes.
4 by 22.
Yes. So this multiplication, if I take it this side, will become what? Division.
Division.
Anna? Right. Yes. So just keep it in bracket, right? So this will become what? X is equal to 43 by 12 divided by what? This 22 by 7,
22 by
sorry,
12.
22 by 4. Yes or no?
So
This
we can
multiplication
directly write, so we can directly write into 4 by 22.
Right, I can write, but I'm just following all the steps, right? And we know that if I convert division into multiplication, I have to do the reciprocal of this. All of you remember this? Ayana?
Yes,
The reciprocal.
yes,
Right?
sir.
And this is called your cross multiplication. This is called cross multiplication. That division will become multiply and multiply will become division. Right? See? Hana? Now 4 will divide this how many times?
3.
3 times. right? So x will become what? X is equal to 43 by 66.
66.
So all of you got the answer? Tell me, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so usually people make mistake. I was not recording this guy, I forgot. Okay, I was recording, right? So first bod mass, we should focus on bod mass. We should not make any mistake in bod mass. Second mistake is transpose. We should not make any mistake in transpose, right? And then calculation, HCF, LCM and calculation, okay? Right? Okay, now we will solve lots and lots of problems, right? Now, if I ask you, right, when you talk about linear equation, how many values you are getting? Again, I'm asking the same question again. How many values?
1.
1, right? Yes or no? Okay, let me ask you one simple problem. Let me ask you one simple problem, right? Suppose your mom gave you 1,000 rupees. Suppose, right? Suppose your mom gave you 1,000 rupees. I'll just take someone name. Suppose Vihan scored very good marks, right? Anna, in school,
40 out of 40.
he's a topper, right? And so, like, her mom is very happy with Vihan, his mom, sorry, right? Okay, so she gave 1,000 rupees, okay, to Vihan, right? Okay, Vihan can eat lots of chocolate, right? Okay, okay.
But he invested
Now,
that.
think about it. Think about it. Suppose the cost of chocolate, of one chocolate, is how much? Suppose it is,
5 rupees.
5 rupees.
5.
suppose 50 rupees, right?
Sir,
He-
which chocolate is
I mean,
it,
he's
sir?
rich now, no? He's rich now. He's not poor. He's not like you guys who will eat 5 rupees
Sir,
chocolate.
you're telling us
He's having
poor,
40
sir.
rupees, right? He
Sir,
eats
you're telling us
sandwich too.
poor. Sir, this is bad, sir.
Anna, see, I buy 5 rupees chocolate. I can show you. I'm having 5 rupees work with me. Right? So I fall under your category. Yeah. But Vihan is having 1,000 rupees, right? So he will buy perk. Sorry, why he will buy perk? He will buy Cadbury Dairy Milk.
Yes, sir,
Right?
Dairy Milk.
He'll buy this Bourbon, right? Or celebrations.
Sir,
He's not like you
Bourbon.
people
Silk.
who buy.
Sir, why chocolates? Sir, he will buy pizza, Domino's.
Okay. So okay, yeah, that's it, right? Leave it. So my question is, right? Okay, my question is, no, I'm just talking about chocolate only, right? Think about it. What is the maximum number of chocolate that he can buy? Tell me.
20.
20, right?
Sir,
So
bees,
right? So can you say that, sir, if 50 is the price of chocolate, right? Into, suppose the number of chocolate is X. Suppose the number of chocolate is X, right? And this should be equal to what?
1,000.
1,000.
Sir,
Right? Then
then
it
you
is
should
very easy.
transpose it, sir. It will be 1,000 by 50, which will
Yes.
be x is equal to 20.
Yes. Okay. Now, but this is the case when he's spending all his money. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? But obviously Vihan is smart. Vihan is smart. Right? He will not spend all his money.
आधा
Right?
बचा के रखेगा.
So, right? So the question is, now the question will change. Now the question is, how many chocolates he can buy, right? Can buy, right? Okay. So don't you think that now equality is not there? Yes or no? Now equality is not there,
Yes, sir.
right? Because he can buy 20 chocolates, but he can buy less chocolates also, no? Right? He can buy 10 chocolates, he can buy 5 chocolates, depending on, right?
Is
Yes.
more.
So in that case, I can write like this, na? That, sir, it is 50 into X. Now this should be less than equal to what? Less than equal to
1,000.
1,000. Makes sense, tell me. I hope all of you got this.
Yes, sir.
Now you will solve in the same way, right? So what is the meaning of this? Tell me, what is the meaning of this and this? What's the difference between this and this?
Sir, the value of x is less than 20.
Yes, but because when you see this, it is a fixed value, fixed number. Yes or no? right? But here it is not fixed, right? It is not fixed now. It is like maximum he can buy how many chocolates?
20.
20, right?
20.
So the number of chocolates is less than or equal to 20. He can buy 5 chocolates, he can buy 2 chocolates. Makes sense, right? So tell me, if I'm talking about this is your inequation. This is your inequation. Now, do you get a single value? Tell me, in this, are you getting a single value?
Sir,
Tell
can
me.
you repeat your question, sir?
My question is, are you getting a single value of x or
No,
or many values?
Sir, many values, okay.
Multiple values, right? So I guess
सर वो तो
yes.
मेरी मर्जी.
Exactly, वो तो तुम्हारी मर्जी ना, बस 20 से कम होना चाहिए. Yes or no? It can be 1, 2, 3, everything
Yes,
is fine,
sir.
है ना? So
Sir,
multiple
many
values, right? Or I can say it is a range of values. Range of values. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the minimum number of chocolate he can buy? Tell me, what is the minimum number of chocolate he can buy?
20.
One.
One,
Zero,
one,
zero,
one, one,
Yeah.
one.
Zero.
Right?
Zero.
He will not buy any chocolate, right? He's like, no, I won't buy any chocolate, right?
Sir,
So,
सर वैसे भी मुझे चॉकलेट नहीं
ना?
पसंद है सर.
sir,
हाँ, see?
बैंक में जमा करेगा सर. बैंक
Okay, he will invest that money, right?
sir, वो stocks
हर्षद अग्रवाल बनूंगा सर, जो भी है वो.
Very good. Harshad Mehta.
stocks.
Sir, 1,000.
So I am saying that there is a very small difference between inequation and equation. In equation, we get fixed value. In equation, we get range of values. Clear? Right? Now, what do you think
Sir,
about
what sir? Can you repeat?
whatever I have said, it is already written, no? Right?
Sir, in equation gives that
Range of values. It is written, no? It is written, right? It gives range of values, no? Now, when you talk about method of solving, it is same. It is same, exactly same. The only difference is instead of equality, we will have inequality. Clear here, right? Okay. Now let me ask you one more question. Now, when you talk about these equations, how many variable can you see? How many variable you can see? Tell me.
One.
Sir,
One. Huh? One. Very good. Right? Very good. Yes, Jia, we will have Kahoot today. Don't worry. One variable. Hai na? So that is why it is called as linear equation of one variable. Of one variable. Right? Okay. Now, thing is, if I'm having only one variable, right? One unknown variable is unknown. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Hai. So obviously, if I'm having only one equation, I can solve it. Yes or no? Right? Okay. But let me ask you this thing. Right? Suppose Bindu, like Bindu's mom gave her 500 rupees. 500 rupees. Right? Not to do party, right? To buy fruits. Right? Go to shop and buy fruits. Okay? Right? Now, and said buy apple and mango. Think about it, everyone. Apple and mango, right? Now, the cost of apple is suppose 100 rupees per kg, rupees 100 per kg. And cost of mango is rupees 50 per kg.
2000.
Sir, apple price more than mango.
Right? Okay. Now, think about it. How many kgs of okay. Forget about how many kgs. Just tell me, what are the variables here? Message. What are the variables here? Tell me. Connected to
Apple, mango.
The number of apples and number of mangoes.
Mango.
weight of apple mango, na? Not number. Weight, na?
So kg.
Kgs, right? Yes. Kgs of what? Apple and mango.
Apples
Yes
and
or no?
mangoes.
Right? Now think about Bindu. If you go to shop, right, and you will be like, say shopkeeper, give me mango and give me apple, right? What he will do? He will ask, na, how much?
Sir, he
Yes
will
or
give
no?
1 apple and 1
Right? Yes or no? Right? Just imagine. No, no, bhaiya, give me apple, give me mango. Right? Right?
सर एक एप्पल और एक मैंगो दे देगा.
Arey, how much? How much will it require? Right? 1 apple, 1 kg apple, 2 kg apple, 10 kg apple. Yes or no?
10 kg
Right?
apple.
Then,
Sir,
then
same, sir,
Bindu will
depends
see.
on her.
Exactly. Then Bindu, obviously Bindu cannot buy 10 kg, na? Obviously, right? Because she has how much money?
Only 500.
500.
500.
You can buy, sir, 10 kg of mango.
है ना? No, apple I'm saying. So I can say, right, how many variables I'm having? How many variables?
2.
2, right? What is, first is amount of apple, है ना? And second is amount of
mango.
mango.
Amount
Clear?
of mango.
Everyone is clear? Tell me, everyone is clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose she buy X kg of apple. So what is the price she has to pay?
Sir, 100. Sir,
100.
100 into
100
100,
into
sir.
Very good. And if she buy Y kgs of mango, how much she has to pay?
100 into 1.
55.
Yes. And if you add these two, it should be equal to how much?
500.
500.
500. Very good. Very good. Awesome. See, you guys are so smart, right? How come you guys are so smart? Right?
Sir, because
I
of
was not
your
too smart
teaching.
when I was at your age.
Sir,
Okay.
he is madam.
Sir, because you are teaching us, sir.
You make me happy then.
Because we are
Sir,
learning.
if you will give your special cake, no, sir, we will be great.
Ah, Aditya, very good. Right?
बस
Okay,
कर पगले रुलाएगा क्या?
Teachers more will be
I guess
more smart.
Priya will get anyways, right, Priya? Gudu sir has told you, na?
This is jokes apart.
So my question is, now, if you talk about X and Y, can you solve, right? Or can you get any fixed value of X and Y?
No, sir.
No, right? Because if you have to think, right, either X can be, if X is equal to 1, suppose X is equal to 1, na? If you're buying 1 kg of apple, how many kgs of mango you can buy? Tell me.
Sir, 50 by 400.
Right, if X is equal to 1, it will be like 100
Eight.
into 1 plus
Sir, 8.
yes, 8. Very good, very good.
Yes,
Correct.
sir,
है ना? Very good. So 50y is equal to 400. Y will be 400 by 50. 8 kgs. 8 kgs. Clear hai? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if X is equal to 2, if you buy X equal to 2 kgs, then
400 by, and 300 by 50.
it will be 6. Then Y will be 6. Makes sense, na? Right? इतना कैलकुलेशन क्या करना है? 200 रुपया, 300 रुपया बचेगा, 300 रुपया डिवाइड बाई 50 रुपया, राइट? इतना तो कैलकुलेशन आना चाहिए ना?
हाँ सर आते हैं ना.
You guys don't go for shopping, I guess. Next time I will ask all of your mom to send you for shopping, right?
सर
Sir,
आज ही
I
गए
go, sir. Sir,
सर
I
आज
go.
ही गए थे.
Sir, I also go.
Very good. ठीक है. चलो. So when you talk about this, the value of X and Y, right, is not fixed. Agree? Ayana, right? Yes. So how many variables do we have here? Tell me, how many variables do we have here?
2.
2.
Sir, 2.
है ना? So can I say that this is linear equation in one variable?
Sir, what can I say?
Can I say that this is linear equation in one variable?
Sir, we should say linear equation with 2 variables.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Linear equation with
So-
2 variables.
Exactly. So this is not linear equation in one variable. This is linear equation in 2 variables. Linear equation in 2 variables. Okay. Right? Okay. Okay. Yes. Now,